Today, we'll show you how to add social media icons to your Shopify store. Adding social icons connects your store to your social platforms and makes it easier for customers to follow and engage with your brand. On your Shopify dashboard, go to Online Store. Once there, click Edit Themes. In Edit Themes, click Footer. Here, you will see your social media icons. You can turn them off by clicking this toggle and turn them back on by clicking it again. You can also add social media links by clicking Theme Settings, then go to Social Media. From here, you can type in your social media URLs. For example, enter your Snapchat link, then your Pinterest link, and any other platforms you use. Add the ones that match your business. Once you're done, click Save. As you can see, the icons are now showing and the new ones have been added. This simple step helps keep your audience connected and grows your online presence.